Hi, scholars. I bet you know what today's page is all about. That's right, heart words. Heart words, words that do not look the way they sound. And it tells us that every single time right here. Heart words do not look, I'm gonna put my little eyeballs in there, the way they sound. Draw my ear. They do not look the way they sound. Here are our heart words. Let's read them together. You ready? Begin. Kind, unkind, kindest, unkindest. So if you could spell kind, memorize that one, you could spell the rest of these words. You can hear kindest, est, E-S-T, unkindest. You can spell all of those words if you memorize this one. That's pretty sweet. All right, match the right heart word in the blank. So we got 4 sentences, 4 heart words. I bet we're not going to use them more than once. All right? My grandfather is a blank and gentle man. My grandfather is a kind and gentle man. That seems to make sense. My grandfather is an unkind and gentle. No, well, because gentle and unkind are opposites. That wouldn't work. My grandfather is a kindest and nope, wrong tense. My grandfather is a unkindest. Nope, the first one's right. My grandfather is a kind, K-I-N-D, and gentle man. Use that one. Now, it doesn't mean that they're all going to be in order. It just happens to be the first one was the first word. So don't just fill them in. Make sure you read them and check them. All right? Next part. I can do it. Can you write it? Yes, I can. 5 ways. There are 5 ways to spell I. Remember when we have our sound slashes? It makes the sound. I. You have I, sneaky E, I-E, like we're working on this week, Y, like we're working on this week, I-G-H, 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 I, and then just I by itself, like at the word hi, long I, or idle, idle, open syllable, I. All right, let's see what we're going to do. We're going to draw a circle, all right, telling my brain what I'm going to do. Now, what am I going to draw a circle? I'm going to draw a circle around all of the words with a long I pattern. So any of these, not just Y and IE, any long I pattern. So I think we're going to have to listen carefully. Be ready to write these sentences when they are read to you. And Mom or Dad can read them to you, or maybe one day Mrs. Brown will read them and want you to write them down. I'll dictate them to you. Be ready to write these sentences, all the words with long I. Why was the child crying? Okay, why, here the I, was the child. Ooh, there's that long I by itself, child. So you got to listen to what you're saying. Crying, yes. So we got 3 of them in there. Ah, and I just glanced at the bottom. We're going to have to count how many. All right, so make sure you're getting them all. Let's try another one. My flight left on time at midnight. My, oh, there's a long I. Flight, fly, yep. Left on time, sneaky, at mid, that's a short I, but what about night, night, I-G-H right there. So long I. So we got I-S-O-Y, I-G-H, I silent E, I-G-H. So now I've got 7 altogether. Want to do one more together? And then you're on your own. Number 3, I like to eat pie with ice cream. Oh, here's a word. I, standing by itself, like, ooh, silent E, to eat pie, I-E, with ice, open I again, cream. Ooh, 4. We got a lot of long I words. Beginning to think a lot of words in our language have long I in them. All right, I know you can do it. Listen carefully to the words as you say them. Look for those patterns. Y at the end, I-G-H-I, I by itself. But don't be tricked into a short I, but this has a long I. I, silent E, I consonant E. You can do this. Excellent. Till next time, go out and do great things.